lobster.
Diyan daw kaya te. Naabot ko.
Wow! Wow! Hawakan nyo na nga! Hawakan nyo na! So, that's one ng ating crab. Super laki. Dalawa yan, guys. Ito, food trip. We've got here some crabs. So, as you can see, wow, ang init pa. Sobrang laki niya, guys. Wow! Yung crabs natin. You know, sobrang laki and sobrang taba, guys. At dahil birthday ko, deserve ko to. Look at crab sauce sa Peru. Wow, yummy! Try natin. Wow. Sarap. Wow. Ang taba. Wow! I love it. Sarap. Sarap. Lobster mukbang. As you can see, sobrang laki niya. Wow! And then, sobrang taba niya. So, kuhanan natin. So, ito siya, guys. Wow! Mainit-init pa siya. Wow! Ang taba. Tikman na natin. Wow! Sarap! Sobrang fresh. Winner to, guys. Taba, oh! Init-init pa talaga. Sarap. Sarap, ang fresh.